Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss regarding how we can log into S4HANA and SAP Fiori. Also, let's start. Okay, so this is we have a server access. Okay, detail about that SAP S4HANA and Fioris. Okay, so we'll start. So you can connect with this server either Mac operating system or Windows operating system. So here I am going to show you how we can connect in Mac operating systems. So you have to go into the Mac operating Launchpad system and search here remote, okay, Microsoft desktop. Just double click on this and you will see here is the options are available. Okay, just you have to delete existing one and add your new S4 HANA IP address. Okay, so I'm giving here and now you have to add. Okay, now double click on this. Now you have to give the username and password over here. Once you give the correct username and password, the server is going to connect it. Yes, now you can see, yeah. Now you can see the server has been connected. So this is the S4 HANA remote desktop, which is connected successfully. Now on the desktop, you will have a SAP logon, GUI login pad. Okay, so you can see here. So just double click on this and give the username and password. So this is the username and password is press enter now. Okay, now you can see you are successfully logged into S4 HANA system. So how you can identify this is S4 HANA system? So go to system and status. Under this, you will see here the detail, product version and all detail, even server detail. See, this is the server detail. S4 HANA 2023 versions are there. Okay, if you want to more product detail, just click over here. You will see the more detail about that S4 HANA, right? And what the exact version is installed, you can see over this tab. Now you can see Furies. You can see the version release 2023 is installed over here. SAP Furies 2023. Okay, so this is how you can check the detail about that product version and release everything over here status. Okay, now once you check here, now you are successfully logging into S4 HANA server. Okay, even once you load it, now the second steps I'm going to show you how could log in into the SAP Furies. Okay, so go here. This is a T code basically /n UI2/FLP. This is a transactions, okay, which the Fury is going to connect. If you do, yeah. So this is the like a window web browser. So sometimes it is not work over here. So just copy the URL from here and go to the Chrome browser, okay, and put it over here and press enter. Now you can see your Fiori Launchpad, okay, open over here. Now you can just whatever the user ID and password, okay, you can paste over here. So let's see what is the user ID. This is the user ID. Okay. Yep. So I'm going to, this is the user ID and I'm giving the password. And once you click log on, you are going to successfully log in into the SAP Fiori. Under Fiori, you will have here, if you click here, so you can see so many application over here. So currently it is not there because some restriction has given for the users. Once you user allowed or something required, okay, we people, I mean the admin people has given the access detail of the repository or objects. Okay, meanwhile you can check over here like the detail about that user, like if you want to find any applications, you want to do any settings, you want to edit home page, okay, you can go here and you can edit the home page as per your requirements. So this is basically we will have the way we can log in into SAP Fiori and SAP S4HANA. So this is one of the way. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on this video. And if in case any questions, please mail us. Thank you so much for the watching this video.